Hello everyone, this is Curtis in the kitchen. Well, I just came home right quick so I could get ready to fix something here tonight. So what I'm gonna have is some steaks, some ribeye steaks that I picked up at the store. So I'm gonna I said, well, let me run back by home here so I can get these steaks out of the package and get them all seasoned up. This is what I'm talking about. These right here, got these steaks. I just got them, so they I had them and I was thawing them out. So I said, well, let me go back by the house and check on them so that I can get them out the package and get them all, you know, washed off and everything, and then season up. And so I'm gonna let them marinate for a little while with some let's see, I'm gonna put some of this slap your mama season on top of them, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna put them on a skillet, and we're gonna have like some garlic and some garlic with the onions and some butter, unsalted butter. So we're gonna saute it in that and kind of just let it steam and sizzle with the onions and the garlic in there to give it a really good flavor taste. We're gonna have it on a iron skillet so we can get our iron. No, I'm just kidding though, but no, it is a real iron skillet. I can let me see if I can pick it up. It's like this right here, this iron skillet right here. So I'll take and spray it with some oil, just vegetable oil. I think I got a can of it. I'll spray it, I get it real good and hot, and it'll have it already where it's good and flavored. So when I lay that steak on there, it's gonna sizzle real good, sauteing. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So now let me get the steak in here. I'm just telling y'all right now, I'll stop, make me say, nah, I don't want to go back to work. But I'm gonna go on and finish this other little job up. Customer call, so I'm gonna go finish this up. It's another little let's see, just a little long. Well, I think it just had a few leaves and some trees that they wanted trimmed up. I think wind blew or something. But that's my other little job, the little line, I'm doing a little lawn care landscaping all. But let me go take care of that. It won't take too long to finish that up, and I'll be back. By that time, the steaks will have marinated with all the seasoning have soaked in it. But stay tuned, I'll be back, and we're gonna get in this kitchen and get to cooking these steaks. Okay guys, I'm back from my adventure of working. Got home, took a good hot shower, cleaned up, changed clothes, and now I'm back in the kitchen finna fix my steak. While I was out, I stopped off at the store, and while at the store, I picked me up some potatoes. I like to have a baked potato with my steak, so I have that. And in the bowl here, I'm gonna show you, I had the steaks all marinated. So let's take a look at them. There we go. So we got the steaks all marinated up right here, and we're gonna be cooking that over some garlic. Told you I got my garlic right here, got my garlic and my onions and all of that, and we're gonna be taking that and we're just gonna put it on yeah, you can hear it kind of sizzling there. So we'll put that on there. We're gonna sizzle that down a little bit. We're getting the pan ready so we can lay those steaks on there. We're just gonna have some melted butter. I'm gonna melt the butter down and the garlic and the onions and all of that. That's a good fragrance. It smells good. Ooh, that smells good. So this is this is the way I do it. Get that in there. You know, you wanna just cook it down a little. You wanna cook it, put that butter in there, just saute it down, get it good and hot. You wanna get your skillet all flavored up, so it's gonna have a good taste to it. You lay that steak. Well, I'm gonna have 2 steaks I'm gonna lay on here because I have both of them all seasoned up. Yeah, got that garlic in there. Oh yeah. So this is the way I do it, and just gonna take a few minutes to cook this steak all down. Smelling good. It is smelling good. Oh yeah. So just let it you just basically saute your onions and garlic. Let it kind of brown a little bit there. And while it's on there, you're getting some good flavor in there. So you want to do while it's like that, you want to just take one of these steaks right here and just lay it on top of that. There you go. So now we're just gonna let it simmer. Smelling, oh, it's smelling good. So we're gonna let it sit there and absorb all that garlic and onion in there for right now, and I'm gonna turn it over and do the other side the same way, where it can absorb all of that garlic and onion flavor in it. Okay, so give me a few minutes, guys, and I'm gonna come back. Okay. Hey guys, I'm back. I finished cooking those 2 steaks out. I could smell the garlic and the onions. Oh, just cooked it all the way down and got all of that flavor into the steak. Let me give you a view of it. I told y'all what I was gonna have with it, and let's look at it. See, right here, I told you I was gonna have me a potato with it, and that's what I got. I got me one of those potatoes there, and just slow cook that steak all the way through. So oh man, so that was the garlic and the onions. I cooked them all the way down. I probably cooked it a little bit too much with that with the garlic and onions, but I wanted to get all that flavor up out of there, so I did. Now, as you can see, I still got another one over here with some of that garlic over there on the side right there. Some of that flavor coming from it. Oh yeah. So I got 2 steaks, but I got another steak for another day. So what I'm gonna have, I got this one for right now though. Let's dig in here. Let me get a little piece of, oh, it's tender, it just broke off. See, I got, oh, let me try a little piece of this here. That flavor. Oh. I like that. Man, that flavor. You don't have to put no steak sauce and all that stuff on it. It's got its own sauce coming out of it. So that's a ribeye. Let me get another piece of that, guys. Let me get another piece of this here. Come on now. Yeah, I got another piece. Yeah, look at that. And I like my stuff always well done. I don't want no pink in it or nothing. No, I gotta have it all the way cooked, all the way for me. Yeah. Juicy. Oh yeah. Got a potato. Some sour cream on this potato here. With some peppers on it, on that potato. Sour cream, bacon bits, all that on that potato. I'm gonna get a little bit more of that potato. We'll see. Let's see. I can taste all that green pepper in there. I'll tell you, this is hot and good. Oh man, need a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna have to just go and eat my meal. I've been sharing with y'all. I'm gonna have to share something else with you now, because it's time for me to go on and dig in and finish off this steak and potato here. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and stay tuned. I got some more coming. I got some more work to do. I'm gonna try to keep the videos coming. I cook every day. I mean, every day I'm always cooking. I don't go out to eat or anything. Basically, I go to the grocery store and I buy different stuff to cook. So I don't know, one day I may do a pizza. I may do what was somebody asked me one time about some type of Frito Lay. I think it's with some corn chips and what else? Corn chips, hamburger meat, something. There's something else in there. Anyway, I'll look at it and I'll put it together and I'll share it with y'all when I look at that and get it all together. But anyway, y'all, take care. I'm out of here for now. I'm finna dig back into the steak some more. All right.